frog body. I wonder what that
I
is.
see. Here, take my camera so you can get closer to him. It's filming.
Check it out.
Get closer.
He'll climb right up that corner, I bet. Just watch him get out. He'll climb right up that corner, Gracie.
I found Daddy long-legged standing out of there. What?
Don't box him in, okay? Let him go.
Wow.
Yeah, don't
Remember that little green one that your dad found over there by the little rental shop that was stuck in that net?
See what he does there.
That's a challenge. What's up?
Is he going?
Yes.
Did you hear him?
Look.
Oh, where's he? Oh, he's going in that hole.
No, he isn't.
Up and over.
Wow, what's going on?
I guess he doesn't like our snake.
Watch. Gracie, back up so you can see what he's actually doing.
Holy mackerel.
Back up so you can see the whole snake.
That is incredible.
Don't turn it on the side.
Can you grab him?
Look at that.
Gracie, you're filming.
That is crazy.
Grab him, Daddy.
Isn't that crazy?
I don't want him to go.
Stay on it, Gracie.
Don't worry.
Is he coming to us? Can you catch up?
Up to the top and stop, Gracie. What's Daddy doing?
Daddy Wobway. He's trying to eat the Daddy Wobway. Oh, they passed it. Okay, how do I stop?
Press the start button. There you go.
What's
To me.
the power button?
Hey.
The power button?
We're going to let him go.
Aww.